Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the morning detox drink lemon basil green tea. For this, I'm going to take some water and place it on the stove, allow it to boil completely, and once it's boiled, I'm going to add a teaspoon. This is available in the market, tea, both in powder as well as sachet forms. To this, we add some basil leaves that are fresh, just plucked and washed, and allow this to boil along with the green tea completely. You can see here that it's already boiled, and now we run it through a strainer for the tea to get extracted out in a container. To this tea, now we add some lemon juice. This will actually help give a tangy taste to the lemon tea. And then we add a teaspoon of honey. This is a taste maker and it's completely optional. Honey also has its own antioxidant properties. Now the lemon basil green tea is ready to be had.